Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix AMD GPU error and the error code is 43. So if you're getting this error, Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems and the error code is 43. Then here follow the fixes very carefully. Fix 1. Try these steps to fix AMD GPU error code 43. So open device manager. So in Windows search type device manager and open the device manager. Then expand the display adapters. Then right click on your AMD GPU and then select properties. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on uninstall device. Tick mark the delete driver files and then confirm it. Now restart your PC. Now Windows will automatically roll back to the previously working driver and your error should go now. Now once it is working, you have to disable auto update for the driver to avoid this error from occurring again. So in order to disable auto update for the driver, open run box. So press Windows plus R button on your keyboard to open the run box. And in the run box type sysdm.cpl and then hit on enter. Then go to the hardware tab and then click on device installation settings. And then check mark no, your device might not work as expected and then click on save changes. And then your issue will get solved and you will not get error code 43. So this fix has worked for many users. So I hope this will work for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can go to the fix 2. Fix 2 is to roll back your graphic card driver. Now before rolling back your graphic card driver to the older version, first go to this website. This is the AMD website. And once you're on this AMD website, install the AMD cleanup utility for Windows. Click on it and then run this exe file and install it. And after installing it, run it. And after running it, you can perform these steps. It will help you to do a deep clean of all leftover AMD drivers files that a normal uninstall misses. You can then roll back your AMD graphic card driver to the stable older version. To do so, go to this AMD website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down and then select graphics from here. Then select product family, whatever your product family is. So select that one. Then select the product line, whatever your product line is. And then select the product model. Suppose this is your product model. This is just an example. And then click on submit. And then click on previous versions. And then click on Windows 11 if your PC has Windows 11. And if you have Windows 10, then click on Windows 10. Since this error is mostly occurring on Windows 10, so I will show the example of Windows 10. So click on Windows 10. Now install the older version. Do not install the latest version. Install the older version. You can install 26.5.2 version. You can also install 26.5.1 version and check which one works for you. So let us proceed with 26.5.2. So simply click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it. And after installing it, check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these two fixes, you can easily solve AMD GPU error code 43. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.